And these are my bathroom cleaning products. I keep a kit. Everything is compostable bristles, and made out of wood as well, so that if we need to replace it, it will all be compostable. And as far as cleaning products, like Barkeeper's Friend, but also now, since I've run out of that, I just use baking soda with essential oils and just like a dot of soap. And that's all I use to scrub the tub. Sometimes vinegar with the baking soda fizzes it up. And that's it, really.
That's awesome. Yeah, thank you for sharing that. So where would someone go and find these products? Where do you buy your products or ingredients to make your own?
Yeah, so when I started 7 years ago, it was limited where I could purchase something like this. It was mostly online, but now they're in so many places, and I will give you names of where I go online to buy them. But also, if you browse in Marshalls and TJ Maxx now, they have cleaning products or brushes that are made out of bamboo. So I'm starting to see them in places like that. But um, some online shops, there's the Wild Minimalist, which is kind of local to the Bay. It's out of San Rafael. And the Feel Good Company in Berkeley, they do refillables. They have a refillable program. Tiny Yellow Bungalow is online, and the Package Free Shop is also online.